The primary goal of the American Sailing Association, ASA, certification program is to regulate marina operations, B. Standardize sailing education and promote safe seamanship, C. Increase boating equipment sales, D. Manage coastal shipping routes. 2. Which adult learning principle is most relevant when designing an ASA sailing course? A. Adults learn best when content is applicable to real-life sailing experiences. B. Adults prefer to memorize technical terminology. C. Adults learn primarily through passive lectures. D. Adults dislike hands-on practice. 3. During an ASA skills assessment, the instructor's main evaluation focus should be on A. Theoretical recall only. B. Practical demonstration of sailing maneuvers and safety practices. C. Personality and enthusiasm. D. Written responses. 4. When mentoring a new ASA student, which technique best supports adult learning? A. Provide real-time feedback during practical sessions. B. Avoid correcting mistakes to build confidence. C. Assign extra reading instead of sailing practice. D. Limit communication to post-class discussions. 5. ASA curriculum development emphasizes A. Structured, experience-based skill progression. B. Rote memorization of sailing rules. C. Independent study without supervision. D. Short lectures without practical sessions. 6. Which ASA standard certification focuses on coastal cruising competence? A1, B3, CAS5, DAS7. 7. To evaluate an ASA student's readiness for certification, the instructor should use A. Observation-based performance rubrics. B. Peer popularity ratings. C. Attendance records only. D. Group voting. 8. Which element of communication is most critical during crew coordination on a sailboat? A. Clear, concise verbal commands and acknowledgement. B. Detailed written reports. C. Silence to maintain focus. D. Use of non-standard gestures. 9. In ASA teaching methodology, formative evaluation involves A. Continuous feedback during skill development. Final exam only. C. Peer evaluation after the course. D. Equipment inspection. 10. Adult learners in ASA programs are best motivated by A. Opportunities to apply knowledge in real sailing conditions. Strict memorization tests. C. Fear of failure. D. Theoretical discussions only. 11. ASA's regulatory compliance framework ensures A. Safety and consistency across certified schools. B. Exclusive regional control over boating licenses. C. Instructor discretion without oversight. D. Reduced training standards. 12. Which communication approach should A. Instructors use when correcting unsafe sailing techniques? A. Immediate constructive feedback focused on behavior. Public criticism. C. Ignoring the issue until end of session. D. Lengthy written reports. ASA instructors must evaluate student competency using A. Measurable performance criteria. B. Randomized subjective impressions. C. Informal conversation. D. Peer judgment. The ASA 104 certification focuses primarily on A. Basic keelboat handling. B. Bareboat cruising and extended voyage management. Celestial navigation. D. Dockside maintenance. Effective mentoring in ASA programs emphasizes A. Building confidence through guided practice. B. Limiting student independence. C. Avoiding challenges to reduce anxiety. D. Minimizing instructor feedback. 16. When designing an ASA safety training session, instructors should A. Include scenario-based exercises to simulate real emergencies. B. Only distribute printed manuals. C. Avoid physical demonstrations. D. Test theory without practice. 17. Which learning method is most suitable for teaching navigation skills? A. Interactive chart exercises and onboard practice. B. Lecture-only approach. C. Watching instructional videos without engagement. D. Memorization of coordinates. The ASA Code of Ethics emphasizes A. Safety, professionalism, and respect on and off the water. B. Competitive behavior among sailors. Minimizing instruction time. D. Instructor autonomy without accountability. The key purpose of ASA evaluations is to A. Ensure knowledge and practical competence meet established standards. B. Eliminate low-performing students. C. Encourage competition. Collect marketing data. 20. Which of the following best reflects adult learning motivation in ASA training? A. Self-directed mastery of sailing tasks. B. Passive absorption of information. C. Instructor-led memorization. D. Group competition. 21. ASA certification renewal ensures A. Updated compliance with evolving safety and instructional standards. B. Permanent exemption from retesting. C. Automatic promotion to higher levels. D. Reduced instruction hours. 22. The most effective way to teach knot tying in ASA programs is A. Hands-on repetition with real ropes and contextual use. B. Illustrated textbooks only. C. Watching others without participation. D. Lecture on rope theory. 23. In assessing an ASA student's seamanship, the instructor should evaluate A. Decision-making under realistic sailing conditions. B. Social skills only. C. Theoretical knowledge exclusively. Uniform appearance. 24. Which ASA certification introduces navigation fundamentals? ASA 102. BSA 5. CISA 18. DSA 110. 25. The instructor's primary role in ASA practical assessments is to observe, guide, and ensure safety while assessing performance. Act as a passive observer. C. Perform all tasks for demonstration. D. Focus only on paperwork. Effective ASA mentorship relies on A. Encouraging reflection and self-evaluation after each lesson. B. Focusing solely on instructor feedback. C. Ignoring emotional readiness. D. Avoiding collaborative learning. 27. ASA compliance reviews typically involve A. Verifying adherence to curriculum standards and safety protocols. B. Collecting membership dues. C. Reviewing student attendance. D. Evaluating promotional materials. 28. When teaching docking procedures, instructors should emphasize A. Repetition, communication, and safe speed control. B. Ignoring wind and current effects. C. Theoretical discussion only. D. Rapid execution over accuracy. ASA's training philosophy is built on A. Practical application supported by structured knowledge. B. Memorization-based testing. C. Solo learning without guidance. D. Randomized instruction methods. 30. Adult learners in ASA sailing courses benefit most from A. Problem-based learning that reflects real-world sailing challenges. B. Reading-only sessions. C. Unstructured lectures. D. Passive observation. 31. When providing feedback, ASA instructors should A. Be specific, timely, and supportive. B. Delay feedback until course completion. C. Provide generic praise only. D. Criticize in front of peers. 32. ASA standards are aligned with A. U.S. Coast Guard and international sailing safety guidelines. B. Private company policies only. C. Recreational club rules. No external standards. An ASA evaluation rubric is designed to A. Objectively measure sailing proficiency and safety compliance. B. Subjectively rate performance. C. Rank students against each other. D. Reduce instructor workload. 34. Mentorship in ASA programs helps develop A. Confidence, independence, and long-term sailing judgment. B. Over-reliance on instructor direction. Competition among peers. D. Limited technical awareness. 30. ASA instructors can best address diverse learning styles by A. Combining demonstration, discussion, and practice. B. Using one method for all learners. C. Avoiding group work. D. Limiting practical exposure. 36. When designing evaluation tools, ASA educators should ensure A. Validity, reliability, and fairness in assessment methods. B. Surprise-based testing. C. Instructor convenience only. D. Subjective grading. 37. ASA promotes a competency-based training approach to ensure A. Demonstrable skills and safe seamanship. B. Fast certification. C. Minimal instruction. D. Theoretical dominance. 38. In regulatory compliance, ASA schools must A. Maintain approved instructor certifications and safety standards. B. Set their own testing rules. C. Skip inspection. D. Train without documentation. 39. To improve course effectiveness, ASA instructors should A. Collect feedback from students for continuous improvement. B. Repeat identical content annually. C. Ignore learner input. D. Focus on administrative compliance only. 40. The ultimate goal of ASA education is to A. Develop safe, confident, and responsible sailors. B. Maximize course enrollment. C. Shorten certification duration. D. Promote competition. 41. In ASA instructor development, which strategy best ensures continuous professional growth and instructional excellence? A. Participating in peer reviews and ongoing skills workshops. B. Relying solely on personal teaching experience. C. Avoiding feedback from students and colleagues. D. Repeating the same lesson plans indefinitely.